So I finished getting the tomato plants in the containers last night. Kind of show you what I did here. Got those containers that I showed you in the last video I believe I took, and I'll show you kind of what I did. There's really no need to walk you through this. It's pretty painless and very easy. I just took those containers, I drilled drainage holes in the bottom of them, went up about 2 inches from the base, and took my drill and drill bit and simply drilled some holes in it for the water to leak through. Then on the bottom I took and put about 2 inches of mulch on the bottom, and then I added in a mixture of potting mix and some garden soil, mixed that together, and then planted the tomatoes, and then put another layer of mulch on the top. And over here we have the beefsteak tomato plants. Got 3 in each, 3 in this one here and 4 in this one. And then over here we have the cherry tomatoes, and the cherry tomatoes are indeterminate, and so they'll grow as long as they stay alive, I guess. So what we'll end up doing is probably trellising them up the side of the fence here, and the beefsteak tomatoes are determinate, and so we have them over here. I was first questioning whether or not I'd have enough sunlight, and the afternoon sun actually comes in from the left, and I can probably show you that at a later time, but we'll see if this works out. If they need to get more sun, then I'll relocate the pots, or the containers I mean. But as of right now, we are facing directly west, so you'll see that there's a clearing and the sun comes right in there for most of the afternoon, so we're good there. And then of course the morning sun comes in from behind me, and so it pretty much gets all of the sunlight, most of the all-day sunlight that they need to grow. So anyway, and then here's a quick shot of the garden itself. Corn's doing fine, bush beans, cucumbers, squash, everything seems to be doing fine. Here's the red bell peppers and the jalapeno peppers. They're sprouting up pretty good. Over here I want to kind of show you, no sponsorship here, don't get paid to promote their products, but this is the potting mix, the Miracle-Gro potting mix that I used. I used the Miracle Garden Soil. That's the mixture, the dirt mixture then in the containers, and then here's the mulch, I guess, that I used for the bottom and the top, and also the same mulch that I'm using on my gardens themselves. So that's about it. Here's a little bit of update. Here's my compost bin. It's basically just a garbage container, and look at that, looking beautiful. And just basically what I do is I throw grass clippings in there, garbage, cooking scraps, that kind of thing. Mix that up, add a little bit of water, and it seems to be doing fine so far. I'll probably end up having to get a second one and set it up alongside it and transfer the materials, but definitely going to have some compost anyway. So, right, Turk? Right? There's my dog, Turk. Say hi, Turk. Say hi, Turk. Say hi, Turk. No? He didn't want to say hi. So anyway, I just wanted to give you that update on getting the tomato plants finally transferred into their containers, and we can watch them grow in future videos of garden updates. So thank you very much for watching. If you like the content of this video, please hit the like button. You can subscribe to my channel if you'd like to get multiple updates on other aspects of living in the hill country of Texas. And God bless you. Talk to you later. Bye.